What's going on, my beautiful YouTube family? Today I'm going to show you how to do Amazon PPC keyword research and then create your Amazon PPC campaigns all in under 5 minutes. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification. That way, as I give more tips like this, you'll get notified. Alright, so the tool we're going to be using today is called Helium 10. Now it's really simple getting started with Helium 10. All you need to do is go to their toolbox right here, and where it says Magnet to Keyword Research, go ahead and click on that. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put your keyword phrase, your main keyword phrase. So let's say you're selling charcoal toothpaste. Okay, go ahead and put that into the search, whatever your product is, new search, and go ahead and let it load up. Perfect. So now that your results have loaded up, let's go ahead and apply a few filters just to clear the results to only show highly relevant keywords that are 100% related to your product. So under advanced filters, the first thing you're going to want to do is click search volume. Go ahead and do a minimum of 350, and it'll remove any obscure keywords from the list. And also I like to add, one of the main attributes of your product just to further identify and further filter through any of the other keywords. So for this instance, we'll put charcoal, right? And go ahead and put whatever unique attribute of your product into that section, and you can also put exclusions. So for example, we can put mouthwash, for example, since it's not mouthwash, and let's go ahead and click apply. Now once you have your results loaded up here, what I like to do is I like to sort by highest search volume first. So just go ahead and click on the search volume bar right there, and it'll organize all of the keywords with the highest search volume all the way down to the lowest. And once you have this organized, all you need to do at this point is click export, and let's go ahead and export as an Excel. Alright, and so now that you have your Excel loaded up, what I like to do is I like to copy the first 100 keywords. So once you copy the 100 keywords, just go ahead and go to a Google Doc and paste. And what you're going to want to do at this point, once the keywords are on a Google Doc, is you're going to want to eliminate any keywords that are not 100% related to your product. And obviously the reason why you need to have these filters is so that way you can focus on 100% relevant keywords and eliminate any potential wasted ad spend, right? So you want to concentrate your budget on only highly relevant keywords that you know will most likely result into a sale. So for example, we can remove charcoal mask, activated charcoal, we can remove charcoal capsules. You get the picture, so go ahead and do this for your own product, and you'll be left with a set of keywords that you're going to go ahead and use, and then go ahead and copy over to an Amazon PPC campaign. And now once you're inside Seller Central, this is where the easiest part comes in. All you're going to do is go ahead and click on Create Campaign, and then go ahead and copy and paste those keywords into the actual campaign. So of course it's going to be a sponsored products ad, so just go ahead and click on Continue on that option. So for example, under the campaign name, I'm just going to put Test Match Type, right? And I'll show you why I'm going to name it that specific title. Let's go ahead and do a daily budget of 50. It's going to be manual because we just did the keyword research. We can leave this as is. And now once you're at the targeting section, just make sure that you have keyword targeting highlighted, and this is where you're going to paste your keywords. So ideally you'll want at least 35 to 50 keywords, so that's why from the list of 100 you're going to filter down, and you should be left with around 35 to 50 keywords after you eliminate any keywords that are not 100% related to your product. Alright, so simply paste your keywords in this section here, and make sure all three match types are highlighted, because what you're going to want to do, and you can leave the default bid as is, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to test all three match types, so broad, phrase, and exact, in one campaign. And let's say for example your exact match types start performing the best, then at that point you can create a second campaign and just do exactly what we just did here, but in that instance you'll uncheck those two and just make sure exact match type is highlighted, and then you'll paste the keywords there, so that way you can isolate traffic on a campaign basis for your top performing match type. But the best way to do that on a limited budget, if this is one of your first Amazon PPC campaigns, is test all three match types in one campaign. And again, you'll ideally want 35 to 50 keywords in this campaign. And that's basically it. Once you're done with that, go ahead and launch campaign. And after 30 days, you'll be able to see which match type is performing the best in order for you to create that second campaign. Now you can listen to all of this amazing content on the go just check out the Savvy Amazon Sellers podcast. There will be a link below in the description, and you could download every single episode that we're recording, and you could watch it at your own time. And don't forget to join the Zon Rush Facebook group, where we share the best Amazon FBA strategies that are working today to help you amplify your sales. Well, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.